Ever wonder if your Galaxy S25 Ultra can turn your idea into an Art Nouveau style drawing? In this video, I will show you how to use the text-to-image feature inside Drawing Assist using the prompt a flower vase next to the window. We will generate the artwork and download it directly to the gallery. First, remove your S Pen to open up the argument menu. Tap Drawing Assist icon. Now tap the text to image field. Write a flower vase next to the window. Then tap done. Next, choose Art Nouveau effect. Tap generate and wait for the result. When the artwork appears, check the icons at the top of the image. Tap download icon to save the generated picture into your gallery. And that's how easy it is to turn your idea into Art Nouveau artwork using your S Pen and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.